Yeah, we've always been interested in human stories. That's how our culture is. Like ever since, since childhood, the kind of stories that we all have heard, be it any story, राजा रानी की कहानी हो चाहे किसी गांव की कहानी हो, any story that we heard, it was always rooted in human aspect of it.
And after reading the script, it was real for me. It was as real as it could get.
On what basis do I decide that what will create a controversy? Today, the scenario is such that anything can, hurt anyone and people can react in any way. I mean, somebody might have an issue with somebody's name, but what do you do about it?
You know, the kind of stories I used to do, and you can't even imagine. I don't think a writer can imagine those crimes which real life has
absolutely
has
traumatic,
seen,
yeah.
It's so bizarre. It's so out of imagination. Outdoor तो ये होता है, हाँ, क्या कर रहा है? सुन, खाना खा लिया? अच्छा, नीचे जाएगा, मेरे रूम में आ जा, मैं तेरे रूम में आ जाऊँ. ये होता है.
Hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. My name is Shriyanka Mazumdar and I am in conversation with the cast of Sare Jahan Se Acha, Sunny Hinduja, Pratik Gandhi and Anup Soni. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us.
Huge.
Tell me, what was the first thought at the script? Whoever wants to go first.
First thought on the script when I read it and when I was given narration, I said that this is not the espionage world, spy world that I know.
Okay.
It is a different world.
Hold that thought, I'm going to circle back to it.
Yeah, it's not the world that I have seen. This is something very real. This is something very human. And that got my attention and interest.
I think along with the spy drama that it's incorporated in the script, there is a lot of connectivity with the characters, There is so much empathy in every character. That is something which really intrigued me. And that was a delight to my eyes that, we are delving into human emotions in such a way that there are such high stakes. At the same time, you empathize with the person who is in it, and the one who is, overpowering the other, you empathize with that person as well. So that is blend in such a nice way that you don't find anybody is wrong. Yeah, that's the beauty of the script. Nobody is wrong. That is how actually in real life things happen. It is the perspective. I could be wrong for you, you could be wrong for that person, but in your life you're not wrong. That has come across very well in the script. That's a USP, I feel.
Would you like to add to that?
Yeah, the same thing actually, the good part about the script was this was an arena where I think a lot of people are unaware about. This was a space where people have not known or seen much. So I thought this will be a great script because people are going to enjoy this backdrop, this espionage drama, and with some fictitious characters in it and some references with the true events also. And on top of that, I had got to play a role where I thought it was too much of emotion, full of emotions.
Yeah. So, but what Pratik was saying, I want to circle back to that, very human side, but to the story. But do you think as actors, that the audience now is more interested in the human side of an India-Pakistan story rather than the politics?
Yeah, we've always been interested in human stories. Yeah. That's how our culture is. Like ever since, since childhood, the kind of stories that we all have heard, be it any story, राजा रानी की कहानी हो चाहे किसी गांव की कहानी हो, any story that we heard, it was always rooted in human aspect of it. So I guess as a country we are very human in all our emotions. That's the reason people say all over the world that Indians are very loud in all their emotions. But we are full of emotions. True. Yeah, true. And we want to celebrate each and every part of human emotions. So I guess this is something that has always resonated with people. And across the border also. They were always part of us. They are carved out from our own piece, our own body, right?
That's very well put.
It's the same, I guess, there also.
But Sunny, now that you're on the other side of the border, we've seen you play a role on this side of the border. Walking that moral tightrope, like you said that when you empathize, But how easy or difficult is it to empathize with a character that you're playing? Or is it fairly easy to keep that distance?
No, I think all these things, the decisions that you make, it comes from within. How much am I able to empathize with people in my life is equally important. How I will perform a character.
It's a reflection of your...
It is a reflection. At the same time, it is also the evolution of a person. For me, frankly speaking, Shriyanka, I would not say a good human being is like a good actor. I don't want to say such things. But definitely, if you are evolving with life, you will be able to perform better. That is definitely, I feel, and which has happened with me. I've evolved as a person. I've evolved, I've started to understand emotions more. But still, I feel a long way to go. It is always like that. And a similar thing is with acting. You always think that you have achieved, but no, there's still a long way to go because you don't know the kind of depths that emotion has and the kind of depth that a person has. So it goes for me hand in hand. So as a person, what I feel, I see to that as my character. It is easy for me to empathize with any character if it is if it has all the right things in front and behind it. Getting into a situation is also important. What is before it, where he comes from, what is his background, all these things matter. And that is beautifully written in the script. And after reading the script, it was real for me. It was as real as it could get. So it was not difficult for me to empathize. But at the same time, feeling one thing and then putting that into action is a completely different ballgame. So I personally have that fight with myself. How much percentage of it am I able to get inside and portray? That is my challenge. I would not say that I achieved fully all the time. In fact, I don't know if I've achieved fully any time. I'm still striving to achieve that.
And Pratik, your last film triggered a brush-in with the CVFC, a bit of debates. What is it about darker, about complex storytelling that sort of calls to you?
I enjoy that complexities of characters and the stories and all. It challenges me as an actor. I get to, dig deeper inside and create something, find a newer ways to reach the same emotion. And that is very exciting. It fascinates me as an actor.
But do controversies now dictate how you choose your roles, or is that entirely a discretion that you exercise as an actor?
No, I just go with my gut feel. Because on what basis do I decide that what will create a controversy? Today, the scenario is such that anything can, hurt anyone and people can react in any way. I mean, somebody might have an issue with somebody's name, but what do you do about it? You can't guess that in advance. Yeah. So if my name is Ramesh and if I do something wrong in the film, all the Rameshes of the country can say that
will
how
be
can
offended.
You yeah, so I mean you don't have an answer to that.
But it's a scary zone, right? With an Operation Sindoor happening, and then and it's a saturated market too. There are so many stories on India, Pakistan being told. But as actors, do you also feel like are we doing this right?
See, it depends. It's a very individual decision what you want to do as an actor, You might think differently, but you are portraying something differently on screen. It's up to you. Like, if three of us are being part of this show, it says a lot about what we have chosen.
Yeah.
And as far as our show is concerned, it's not only about India, Pakistan. It's about the spies all over the world. Because we also talk about Mossad, we also talk about CIA, ISI and RAW. The logic of taking this route is, I guess, because as the audience of our country, we have more references of these incidences.
Yes.
Which makes it more believable, more real. And we are talking about 1970s, the whole decade, which was the most defining time for the countries. And for the world, in fact. A lot of incidences happened all over the world. India and Pakistan, they were both just 20 years old country.
Yeah.
They were both finding their own ways to, create their own footprint in the world map. So, more drama there. And that's what we tried to explore.
But you've of course led a real life crime show. How difficult is it to now, or easy perhaps, to sort of to prep for a fiction show and to bring those stories to the forefront?
See, as the saying goes, that reality is more
Stranger than the
Stranger
fiction.
than
than the
fiction.
fiction. So I think these are two different worlds. The kind of stories I used to do, and you can't even imagine. I don't think a writer can imagine those crimes which real life has
Absolutely
has
traumatic,
seen.
yeah.
It's so bizarre. It's so out of imagination. But here it was something different. It was, as Prateek said, that this is not only about India and Pakistan. It's about people who are doing a job. Like today, if you ask any one of us or anybody on the road, they would like to do a job where they get appreciated, where they get some reward, where they get some pat on the back. Oh, you've done a good job. Sometimes we are supposed to do something, we do halfway and we want the credit for the whole thing.
Yeah.
And in that era, in that world, in that kind of a scenario, you have people who are working, who have decided to take a job which is not going to give them anything.
No name, no fame,
no fame,
Yeah.
no se-
Thankless.
your life
Absolutely,
is-
yeah.
They don't exist actually.
Yeah.
They just
Life
don't
is at
exist.
stake. And tomorrow, if you get caught by chance, I mean, the people for whom you are working, they'll say, "अरे हम तो जानते नहीं
हम
इसको
तो
कौन है?"
जानते नहीं हैं.
अरे हमारा
Yeah.
आदमी नहीं है. Imagine. So ये वो
What a
दुनिया
place
है
to
यार.
be in.
ये वो दुनिया है.
But on a lighter note, such intense roles, characters, and just to play them, just to be those characters for long hours in a day. How did you sort of did you have like a post-shoot ritual, like just to relax, like together or each one? Like how is it on sets?
I think it depends when you are shooting in Bombay and when you are shooting
Out of Bombay, yeah.
The whole scenario is different. So, when you are in
Is
Bombay...
the energy always tense on a set like this?
No.
No, not at all. Not at all. In fact, I feel that most of the intense scenes, the mood is very lighter.
Yeah, very light.
Most of the time. But post-shoot, as you said, that, it's different. In Bombay, everybody, I think,
Yeah.
if we all three of us shooting also say, okay, bye-bye, Tata, he has to go home, I'll have to go. But when you're in outdoor, तो ये होता है, हाँ, क्या कर रहा है? सुन, खाना खा लिया है? अच्छा, नीचे जाएगा, मेरे रूम में आ जा, मैं तेरे रूम में आ जाऊँ. ये होता है.
But ऐसे characters के लिए, these serious characters, I think all the actors, they really work hard to train their own selves
Yeah.
to
True.
completely switch on and switch off.
The switch off must be more difficult, no?
It
Once
is,
you are
it
done
is.
with the shoot and just
Yeah.
to snap out of that character.
Matter of practice, but
Yeah,
it's just a matter of practice. You practice it and you can do it
it's
easily.
muscle
It's
memory by
better
now.
if you are a switch on, switch off kind of
Yeah.
character. It's better.
It is better for your mental well-being and
Yeah.
physical well-being because if you can't do that, you can't work for a longer time. It definitely impacts your longevity.
Has it ever happened to either of you that you've not been able
So
to snap
for
out of
me, it is not very easy to switch on, switch off, and it does not mean that
Your
I get.
expression just gave that away when he was talking.
No, because it does not mean that I am into the character and finish. No, it's not like that. And I mean, when I am getting into the character, so when I am playing a character, my mind, it keeps running. At the same time, there is another third person keeps watching while we are performing also. As Prateek was saying, there are two identities. I would call that a third eye. I'm performing and there is a third eye that is making me watch myself, that if I am going right or wrong. At the same time, I'm fully being in the scene. We try to achieve that. So talking about the percentages might vary. That we'll discuss later. But what I'm talking about is this third eye that keeps, is vigilant on you and that takes care of your life. But when I'm shooting a character, it does not go off very easily. I think of, what he would be thinking, what would be his moves, why he did that. All these questions keep coming inside me, even if I'm off the character. Sometimes I care to look at them, sometimes I don't. But it does not go away fully. And my third eye makes me normal. I am not crazy.
That
So
brings
I
a balance,
yeah,
a
I'm
semblance
normal, I
of
behave. But
reality.
in due course of time, this goes away. And it is not a problem, you know. It is nice when I keep thinking more and more about
And
the
even also
character.
the
It
thought
helps
as
me
an
get
actor,
deeper.
like when you do a scene and it's done now, it's okay. Tomorrow you are on a different location, and then on the next location you are thinking about the other location wala scene. Just, yaar,
Yeah. ये तो constant मेरा problem ही है यार वो
वो तो एक constant रहता ही है.
my friend.
Like
But
मेरे
it's
साथ
nice.
जैसे होता है जब director when the director says action ना, तो मैं जब when I open my mouth to say the line, अगर वो मेरे कान में sound ठीक आ गया ना, then I go,
हाँ, with the sur.
then I'm comfortable.
yeah.
But you know, there is a dialogue. Rajat sir tells him, "डर लग रहा है?" नहीं. He says,
लगना
"लगना
चाहिए."
चाहिए."
लगना
Keeps you
चाहिए,
alert.
yes.
So I think
Yeah.
this is what is
Absolutely.
for me.
चारों इंद्रियां जो है ना खुली हुई रहनी चाहिए. Third eye, fourth eye, fifth eye.
But you know, one last question. You guys are very tired. I'm not going to keep you for long. The one takeaway that you think that, you know, the audiences like should take away from this show. Like, because I said that it's a bit of a saturated market, but you know, one thing that sets this apart.
मैं बोल देता हूँ.
जी प्लीज.
बोलो बिल्कुल.
That the work of spies is not to create wars, but to avoid wars.
Very well
So
put.
if we are just sitting here safely, without any big incident happening in the country, we should thank those nameless, faceless entities, those who are working relentlessly under extreme pressure. And I guess that's what we are doing with this show. We are celebrating them who are never celebrated.
Would you like to add?
No, exactly the same what they said. It's just that there is a lot at stake, you know.
Yeah.
There are people who are working for you, yeah. So just respect them. I think after seeing Sare Jahan Se Acha, I personally feel there will be a lot of people who will be talking about the profession of the spies.
All right, that's about it from me. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us today.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the very
Thank
best
you.
for the
Thank you
show.
so much.
Thank you.